and the more that they put that fraud underneath the carpet, the more empowered they made him, and the more he would come after me. She stole this property from me. Okay, then she committed child abuse. Okay, then she stole this property from me again. Okay, I'm going to trespass her on her property. They're not going to do anything to me. This case is rigged. Every time she screams for help or whatever, even though the divorce is done, property's been awarded, I'm just going to keep walking on her property because they're not going to do nothing to me. You made a tyrant out of him. He already was a tyrant, and then now you just made him 20 times worse. On purpose, proven by Civil Rule Pro 10. You made him an absolute tyrant. So from the time of divorce till April of that next year, I had him driving on my property and off my property anytime he wanted. And that was wrong. To even say it the one time, well, he can go. No. Divorce was done and final. You guys did this because this was a rigged case. You would have never let anybody go on anybody else's property repeatedly after divorce was final, no matter what. But it was me. So it was okay to abuse me. You know, and you guys, you've wondered how I survived. Well, I told you. I was abused as a child. This isn't even, what you've done isn't even as bad as that was. That's why I survived. I've run in my bare feet at friggin' 20 below. Fastest runner in school, thank God for that. Yeah, down a block. So, what you have dished out certainly isn't nice, but it's not anything I haven't gone through before. You know, but all I know is that you've empowered a friggin' monster who's going to keep coming after me. And everybody that knows it knows him has. He's proven it by the court docket. You've empowered him. You've ignored all the perjury he's done in court. I mean, he said I stole that equipment. I ruined his equipment and I stole his equipment. And he said that first we had the trial in 2017. He never brought it up then. That equipment, you know, that specific equipment. Not in the 2017 trial, after divorce. No, he never did it then. And then he brought it up, though, in 2018 or 19. He said he tried to come on the property, get the equipment, and he discovered that I had vandalized it and ruined it and his other equipment, too. And I had pictures of him in 2016 taking that exact piece of equipment off the property. Totally ignored by the judge and his attorney. They just wanted to get to the good stuff about me. Discredit me. That's what they wanted to do. That's what everybody's wanted to do in this case. Discredit me. All right? And even the text, you know, sue me for non-visitation. Or sue me, tried to get the judge to give me fines for non-visitation. And, you know, all that proof was on my phone. It got erased, showing us doing visitation back and forth. And then those two went right into the court and filed I didn't do visitation. And then I walked right into court with backup showing I did do visitation. But guess what? The rumor's still going strong. The judge didn't do anything in that case either. The rumor's still going strong that there's a history. It's in an order. Not supposed to talk about orders, but it's all fraud anyway. So what the hell? So anyway, in the order it says Miss LG has a history of not doing visitation. Because that's what they want to put down there. Now, it would have been really great if I wouldn't have had that evidence. I'm really good at evidence. It comes from being a child of accounting. We keep our receipts. Might not be able to find them for a long time, but we got them. Diane, my friend, this one time we were trying to find a receipt, and she goes, oh yeah, Kim has it. It might take her 2 days to find it, but she has it. She was right. We found it. Took 2 days. So anyway, I guess I put things away in a really good spot, right? And my life is kind of complicated anyway. But, yeah. I don't know what I could have done except for fight. I don't think I've been given any choices. And as I proved It's just nothing but a gang up here. You're not going to see justice system. I didn't get a fair trial under the Constitution. They don't follow the Constitution anymore. It means nothing to them. The only time they'll follow state statute is if it's on their side and they benefit from it. Like I said, excuse me, Your Honor, I cited in there, I said, he abandoned him, under state statute. What he did, he left state for a year, never contacted. That's considered abandonment. After 6 months, he never did. Never contacted him one time. We had the major earthquake, never called to see how he was or anything. That's abandonment. I cited that. That is not abandonment. Well, that's what it says under your state statutes. But it was because I was citing it, right? Now, if an attorney, a gang member was citing it, it'd be different. Yeah, it'd be different.